Morning guys, so it's day 3 here in Salou. So today we're going to have a chill out day. We're going to go to the shops, go to the beach. Really looking forward to it, just a nice and relaxed day. So today it is beautiful again, not one cloud. So yeah, so we're just getting ready. We're going to go down for a bit of breakfast and we're going to have a wander around the shops, and then we're going to come back, get ready and go to the beach then for the afternoon. So we're looking forward to it. There's like a little beach bar down there as well. So that'd be nice, just to sit in the sand, have a cocktail or whatever, so it'd be great. That was such a nice, chillaxing day. We spent about 3 hours, a little over 3 hours at the beach today. It was absolutely gorgeous. You can just sit there all day, and we actually got burnt to a crisp. Then we went to this Tapas restaurant, and to be honest, it didn't have a good vibe from it, if you know what I mean. It wasn't great. We were looking forward to the tapas and things like that. We heard so many great things, but I don't know, that place just wasn't what we expected. It wasn't great, that food I just showed you. But then we went out for dinner and we got that amazing ice cream and cocktail, so it was really good. So yeah, so looking forward to our last day in Spain. We're going to head off early to Barcelona. So not sure what's going to happen now, because there's a lot of heightened security at the minute. So we're not sure what's going to happen because we have to be at the airport so early. To catch our flight home. We're thinking, we don't know what we have time wise in Barcelona City, but sure, we'll make it up as we go along anyway. So we'll see what we can do. If we get out to the city, great. If not, doesn't matter, we managed to make our flight home. So if you like this video, make sure you leave us a like, hit subscribe, and also leave a comment as well. And I'll see you guys then tomorrow. Bye.